Today, we're tackling a common question: how do you log out of Netflix on your TV? Whether you're sharing your TV or just want to secure your account, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Navigate to the Netflix home screen. First things first, grab your TV remote and navigate to the Netflix home screen. This is where you'll begin the process of logging out. Step 2. Access the profile menu. Next, locate the profile icon on the top or side of the screen. This is usually represented by a small image or the name associated with your profile. Click or select it to access the profile menu. Step 3. Scroll to Account or Settings. Once in the profile menu, scroll down to find either Account or Settings. The exact wording may vary depending on your TV and Netflix interface. Step 4. Locate Sign Out or Log Out. Within the Account or Settings section, look for the Sign Out or Log Out option. This is where you'll initiate the process of logging out of your Netflix account. Step 5. Confirm Logout. After selecting Sign Out or Log Out, you'll likely be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a security measure to ensure you don't accidentally log out. Confirm the logout action. Step 6. Return to Netflix login screen. Once you've confirmed, you should be redirected to the Netflix login screen. This indicates that you've successfully logged out of your account on the TV. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide on how to log out of Netflix on your TV. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if there's another streaming service or device you'd like me to cover.